Hi, my name is Vedant Kunte. I'm the CTO of Thinkly Labs. Today I'm here to answer burning questions about voice AI agents. This is Agent Support. User paranoidbot-1906 asks, why do I need to use AI to make calls now instead of just doing that with humans? Whoever is telling you to completely replace your human sales team with AI, run away from them. But what I'm trying to tell you is that if there are 5,000 leads that you need to process in a day or in a week, humans are definitely not capable of doing that with really high accuracy. You'll end up wasting money for staffing, attrition, training, etc. But with an AI agent, you'll have a fixed script. They'll be able to process all of your leads in less than 2 to 3 days at a fraction of your cost. The end result, your sales team gets leads that are highly qualified, they're already kind of warmed up, and now they can only focus on what really matters, which is closing the deal. User Krishi A2901 asks, I tried to interrupt my AI travel agent to say I hate flying, but it just kept listing flight prices for 2 minutes straight. I felt like I was being bullied by a polite computer. How do I make it shut up? So actually you can't make it shut up because that's how the AI agent is configured. So just reach out to your tech support person, ask them to basically tweak something called VAD, and that will actually solve all your problems. Michael Slurry asks, why does my voice agent understand high-level real estate laws but can't understand my client from Glasgow? Is the AI biased or is it just the accent? It's actually something to do with, again, how your AI agent is configured. Just drop a DM to your tech support or the voice AI agent provider and ask them what is the configuration of the STT and TTS, which is speech to text and text to speech. In 2026, there's multiple different providers that give you high quality outputs for both of these configurations. And it really matters because currently, in India, you have like over 1,000 dialects, right? And the same applies for different countries across the world. So you should be able to talk to them, talk to each person in their own local dialect, and that's definitely doable in 2026. So again, just drop a DM to your provider. Sharmaji Sun 4655 asks, what are the biggest challenges in deploying voice AI agents in real world scenarios? Talking from my personal experience of deploying these solutions for multiple clients, there's three main areas that come to mind. The first one is definitely latency. People want the person that you're talking to feel like a human and not like a bot. So latency becomes a critical issue in that case. Second thing is hallucination. Whenever you're dealing with AI, there's obviously a chance that the AI agent might hallucinate, make up some sort of facts. So you need to have really strong guardrails for things like this. And the last thing is regulation. So each country has their own laws on how voice calling or any sort of like calling needs to occur. Some countries outright ban cold calling in general. So you need to be really compliant with regulations in those countries if you're setting up these solutions. So those three things are definitely the big hurdles that you face when you set up these kind of solutions. I am Agent Real Estate asks, how quickly should a real estate voice AI call new leads to maximize conversion? So in real world, it usually takes anywhere between a couple of hours to a couple of days to contact a lead. And that's never ideal because they lose interest. With voice AI agents, you have control over this because the AI agents run 24/7, 365. So ideally, the response time should be instant, which is almost anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes after they have shown interest in your service, right? So, yeah. So that's it. Those are all the questions for today. Stay tuned for more next week. Thank you for watching Agent Support, the series where I break down all the difficult questions about voice AI agents.